Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. In today's video, I wanted to show you 5 mixed media / art journaling books that have kind of stuck with me over the years and really inspired me on my art journaling journey. Plus, I'll be sharing one bonus book that is more new to me, but I think you're going to want to check it out. So let's jump right into it. The first book is called 1000 Artist Journal Pages. This book is much more of an inspiration book rather than a how-to book, and it's one of the older ones in my collection. This book is filled with art journal pages from many different artists from around the world, including sketchbooks, mixed media, collage, photography, and it's so exciting to see all the different possibilities that you can use in your own art journal. In this book, you can see various types of media, experience levels, and personalities shining through. I love this book to flip through whenever I'm kind of stuck in a rut and trying to find some inspiration on something new to start. The next book I'm going to recommend is the Art Journal Workshop, and this one is definitely a tutorial book. I love this one because it takes you step by step very specifically through creating an entire page from start to finish, including a prompt, and it talks about different materials and how you can use them. It's a great book when you're first starting out and you really want someone to just tell you what to do, because then it gives you a jumping off point on things you can try next time. You can use the same techniques, but maybe next time you'll adjust your color, or maybe you'll adjust the techniques a little bit to your liking. I think this book really embodies the put together but also slightly messy style of art journaling that I really love. It doesn't feel like a lot of pressure, but it also feels like you have a finished product at the end. This next book is called Drawing Lab for Mixed Media Artists, 52 Creative Exercises to Make Drawing Fun. I love this book because I don't find drawing to be my strong suit. I really want to practice and I really want to get better, but I think a lot of the traditional drawing books, while I love them, can be a little intimidating. I don't have a lot of experience with drawing, and this gives me some really good prompts and tutorials to kind of get me out of my comfort zone. This book allows you to experiment with different styles, different media, and different prompts to loosen you up and just get you working. These are great ways to fill up your art journal or your sketchbook and kind of practice learning your own style. I think this would be a great book if you wanted to do some sort of challenge in your art journal where you're challenging yourself to do a page every day or do a page every week and go through all 52 exercises. The next book is the Journal Junkies Workshop, which is another tutorial style book, but it has a lot of large photos of art journal pages to kind of show you and give you an idea of what you might be making. There are a lot of good step-by-step instructions and in a lot of different styles. Again, I think this book is really approachable for beginners and gives you a lot of different things to try to kind of find where your niche is. My last book is, last but not least, it's called Journal Spilling: Mixed Media Techniques for Free Expression. This is another one that I've had for a very long time, and I've actually ended up giving it to someone and getting myself a new copy because it just kind of seems to be a great introduction into art journaling. It has really detailed lists of tools and supplies you should gather, shows you a lot of really good examples of what you might be making, and introduces you to a lot of different ways of mark making in your journal. As with the other ones, I like that a lot of these pages kind of feel messy, but also put together at the same time. So you can feel free while you're creating, but also you end up with a really cool product at the end. All 5 of those are books that I've come back to over and over again over the years to use as reference and inspiration, and also as educational materials when I've taught classes. I think they're great for all levels of experience and anyone who's just looking for some more ideas for their art journals. Now for the 6th bonus book. This book is by Minnie Small. She is one of my favorite art YouTubers. I love her style and her videos are super calming, super relaxing, and really beautiful. This is a book of 30 days worth of exercises and prompts to do every day in your art journal or sketchbook to kind of work on improving your skills and trying out different techniques. The reason this is a bonus is that I actually haven't had this book for very long, but flipping through it, I am very excited to try all of these prompts. These prompts are more looking at different elements each day, and they're really varied. You have watercolor and acrylic, you have hand lettering, and ink drawings. Each prompt allowing you to work on a different aspect of art and expanding your own creativity. Overall, I find that having books around me for inspiration is a super strong way to get me motivated and get me inspired to work in my art journal. I hope if you're looking for some inspiration, you check out some of these books. I'll have the links for them in the description down below. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite books or tutorials that have inspired you over the years. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.